Hello everyone, I'm Shali, URK23 CS5078. Today I am going to explain my 8th exercise in Computer Networks Lab, which is about enabling secure internet access with NAT and PAT using Cisco Packet Tracer. Okay, this is my topology, and in this topology, I have designed a simple network that allows internal users from a private network to access the internet securely using NAT and PAT. Here I have connected two PCs. This is my PC0 and this is my PC1 and one switch, which is PT switch. Two routers and one server. This is router 0 and this is router 1 and this is server 0. Both are used to translate private IP addresses into public IPs so that internet users can communicate with external networks securely. Okay, now I will explain about my topology. This is PC0 and I have given the IP addresses for the PC0, which is 192.168.1.10. And for PC1, I have given the IP addresses. And this is my IP addresses for PC1 and for the server. This is my IP addresses for server. And the switch is connected to router 0 through interface FA00 and router 0 has the IP addresses. Router 0 is connected to router 1. This is my router 0, which is connected to router 1. Router 1 is then connected to the server 0 and my router 1 is then connected to router 0 using the internet of FA00 with IP addresses, and the server IP address is 10.0.0.10, which will be used to check if the ping is successfully running or not. If it is the PC0, if I give a ping value of 10.0.10, it will show the successful translation between the PC0 and the server. Next, I configured all the IP addresses on each device and tested the connectivity using the ping command. All devices were able to communicate successfully. Then I configured NAT and PAT on router 0. This is my router 0 and I configured all the NAT and PAT configurations. Okay. Inside FS00 connected to LAN, which is 1.0, 192.168.1.0, and outside S20. I created an access list to allow the inside local IPCs. To allow the inside local IPCs, which is an important command to give, is that access list 1 permit 192.168.1.0, 0.0.0.255. 192.168.1.0, which denotes the PC0, and 0.255 which denotes the servers, which is like we are going to connect PC0 with the server for a successful communication. And IP NAT inside source list 1 interface S20 overload. The overload command is important because which is that is used to I configure PAT overload using the public IP of the outside interface. Then I see the inside outside interfaces. For interfaces FA00 IP NAT inside and interface S200 IP NAT outside. For FA00, which is for IP NAT inside, and for router 1, FA00 and which is for IP NAT outside. After this, the PCs in the internal network can access external servers. Okay, now I'm going to test and verify. I verified the configuration by pinging from PC0 and PC1 to the server address 10.0.0. Now I will show the pinging of 10.0.0.10 from PC0. I'll give for command prompt ping 10.0.0.0, which is pinging. I also use the command show IP NAT translations to check the active translations in the router. Now I will show the translations. I'm taking one which shows the successful. Here you can see the successful translations of router 1 to server 0. Again, I'm going to take from router 0 to server 0, which is also successful. So these are the successful translations between the router 0 server 0, router 1 server 0, PC0 server 0, PC1 server 0, etc. So to conclude, this experiment demonstrates how to securely connect a private LAN to the internet using NAT and PAT. NAT hides internal private IP addresses, providing security and conserving public IPCs. PAT allows multiple devices to share one public IP by using different port numbers. So this is my setup, entire setup, which is successful. This setup ensures secure and efficient internet access for all internet users. Thank you.